Hi everyone, my name is Kavade Ramcharni and I am from Educate RK Valley. Now I am here to share some information regarding the project which I had done in Emertex, which is nothing but washing machine using Pixel Lab. And let's enter into the introduction to the embedded systems. An embedded system is a computer system with a dedicated function within a larger mechanical or electrical system, with often with real-time computing constraints and specific performance requirements. When entering into the key characteristics, embedded systems exhibit unique characteristics that distinguish them from general-purpose computers, including resources, constraints, reliability requirements, and specialized functionality for specific application. And when coming to the categories of embedded systems, there are basically four types: standalone embedded systems, network embedded systems, real-time embedded systems, and mobile embedded systems. The examples for standalone embedded systems would be Tesla car autonomous driving system, digital cameras, MP3 players, and calculators. The examples for network embedded systems: home automation system, ATM machines, web cameras, and card swipe machines. The examples for real-time embedded systems would be airbag system, fire alarm system, traffic light control. And the basic differences between the microcontroller and microprocessor. The main feature in order to distinguish between the microcontroller and microprocessor would be memory. The memory in microcontroller is internal, such as RAM and ROM, whereas in microprocessor it is external memory. When coming to the input-output peripherals, in microcontroller it is inbuilt, and when coming to microprocessor, an external interface should be needed in order to communicate with the input and output devices. And when coming to the flexibility, it is application specific in microcontroller and it is general purpose computing in microprocessor, and it is very low system cost in microcontroller and high overall cost in microprocessor. When coming to the key comparison analysis, microcontroller integrate CPU, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip, making them ideal for embedded applications like our washing machine project. The PIC microcontroller which we have used in this washing machine project would be PIC16F577A microcontroller, which uses hardware architecture with separate program and data memory, providing better performance for real-time application. Microprocessors like 8086 use von Neumann architecture with shared memory space, requiring external components for complete system functionalities. This fundamental difference makes microcontroller more cost effective and space efficient for dedicated embedded application. And the main components of the embedded systems would be CPU for processing unit and input-output interfaces, ADC or DAC for data conversions, and HMI interface. The core components, which is nothing but essential hardware elements that forms the foundation of the embedded systems, such as SoC or microcontrollers or memory sensors. And the interface and components are the components that enable the communication and interaction with external devices and users. The communication interfaces in this project we have used is UART protocol and human interface LCD display keypad, and diagnostic port system monitoring axis. When coming to the conversion units, specialized components for signal processing and conversion between analog and digital domains. Analog to digital converters ADC, digital to analog converters DAC, and the actuators act as output control device mechanism. And the programming which we have used in this project is embedded C programming. The embedded C is nothing but which combines the power of C language with specific features for microcontroller programming. The key features for embedded C programming would be free formatted programming structure and syntax and efficient memory utilization and performance. Portable across different microcontroller platforms. And the code structure in the embedded C programming would be the documentation section for program description, process statement and include directives. And third one is global declaration and function definitions. When coming to the documentation, comments and program descriptions for code maintainability and understanding, and process statement, it include header files and define process specific configuration for target microcontroller, and the execution main function subroutine calls for program execution flow. And this is the pin diagram of the PIC microcontroller which we have used in this project. PIC 16F877A microcontroller. The main key features of this microcontroller is it is a 40 pin package which is having 8 kilobytes of flash memory and 368 bytes of RAM and 256 bytes of EEPROM. And the capabilities would be it which contains 5 input output ports, 3 timers and UART communication and 10-bit ADC for analog signal processing. And we can also see the pin diagram of PIC microcontroller. When coming to the port configuration of the microcontroller, input, output and control registers. The TRIS register control the direction of input output pin in PIC 16F877M microcontroller. Each port has a corresponding TRIS register such as port A which is having TRIS A, for port B TRIS B, and for port C it TRIS C, and for port D it is having TRIS D registers, and for port E and TRIS E. By that we have to set TRIS bit to 1 to configure the pin as input with high impedance, while setting it to 0, configure the pin as output. This allows individual pin control within each port for flexible input output configurations. When coming to the bit level port configurations, individual pin control within ports. And the first one would be port A, individual bit control examples. It configures specific pin as input or output using individual bit manipulations of TRIS A registers. And second one, code implementation for pin direction. We have to use bitwise operation to set individual TRIS bits for precise pin configuration control. The third one would be practical application in washing machine. Different pins serve different purposes. Sensors as inputs, actuators as outputs, and displays as outputs. And the LCD interfacing. One of the main peripheral we have used in this project is LED, and the current sourcing would be in PIC microcontroller is a current sourcing microcontroller device. The LED anode the LED having both anode and cathode, with the anode is connected to the microcontroller pin and cathode is connected to the ground. And the connection details which we have implemented in this project would be the port D and port B used for LED interfacing in PIC lab, current limiting resistors required to not to protect LED circuits, and these are the figures which I have shown in this PPT about LED interfacing technique. When coming to the switch digital keypad interfacing, there are basically two: pull-up interfacing and pull-down interfacing. This is nothing but simply the connection between the VCC and the ground. In pull-up interfacing, switch connected between pin and ground connection. Pull-up resistor connects pin to the VCC supply. Action taken place when switch pressed low state. And when coming to the pull-down interfacing, switch connected between pin and VCC supply, and a pull-down resistor connects pin to the ground, and the action would be taken place when switch pressed high state. A pull-up resistor configuration for switch interfacing and a pull-down resistor configuration for reliable switching operations. And the PIC lab setup. Port B configure with pull-up resistor, switch debouncing implement using the delays, digital input reading for control logic. PIC lab implementation using port B with pull-up. When coming to the bouncing effect of analysis, mechanical switches exhibit bouncing phenomena causing multiple transitions during single press operation, and the multiple pulses generated during switch contact. Bouncing duration typically ranges from 5 to 50 milliseconds per period, and the software delays eliminate false triggering from bounces. And this is the waveform pattern of switch bouncing. And character LCD and CLCD interfacing. The CLCD interfacing which we have used in this project is 16 by 4 digital size, which is having 14 pins, and resistor select, which is used for mode control, and E for enable. And the pin function, essential control and data pins for LCD communication and display operations. VSS VDD power supply, ground and positive. VEE contrast adjustment through potentiometer connection. RS register select for data instruction mode. When coming to the control signals that manage LCD operation modes and data transfer timings. RW read write mode control signal. E for enable signal for data transfer timings. D0 to D7 8-bit data bus lines. And the operation modes, different operational modes for data transmission and instruction execution with timing requirements. Data mode, register select would be is equals to 0 for character display writing, and instruction mode RS would be 0 for command execution control, processing time delay and polling method implementation. And the next peripherals are buzzer and fan interfacing control. When coming to the buzzer configuration, we have configured RC1 pin as output by setting TRISC C1 as 0 for buzzer control and turn buzzer on by setting RC1 as 1 and turn buzzer off by setting RC1 is equal to 0. This provides digital control for audio feedback in washing machine operation states and alarm conditions. And in fan configuration we have to configure RC2 pin as output by setting TRISC2 register as 0 for fan motor control. Turn We have to turn fan on by setting RC2 as 0 and turn fan off by setting RC2 is equals to 0. This enables motor control for washing machine, spin cycle and ventilation system operations. And next is timer system overview. In microcontroller, there are three timers: timer 0, timer 1 and timer 2, which provides precise delay generation with different resolutions and quantum calculations. When coming to the project conclusion summary, first, the embedded system mastery and understanding. We have a comprehensive understanding of embedded system concepts, categories and real world applications in washing machine control systems. And second, pick microcontroller programming experts. Practical experience with microcontroller interfacing, port configuration and embedded C programming techniques. And third, hardware integration and system design. We have successfully implemented LED, switch, LCD, buzzer, fan and interfacing with interrupt and timer based control mechanism. Thank you.